Welcome to another video with www.dampwalls.co.za. Today we're in Parkhurst looking at subsoil damp proofing, where the ground floor level of the house is lower than the garden level. This is illegal, as the garden level needs to be lower than your ground floor level of the house. As you can see, the concrete slab here. If you've seen our previous videos on damp proofing the inside of this bathroom, roughly from the corner to about here, you will notice that the windows are a lot higher than the floor level inside. So we need to lift the deck. How do we do this? By marking it, so make sure planks go back in exactly the same position. And then we're going to waterproof between the house wall and the concrete slab. We've already closed some of the structural joints in the slab with mortar and cement. It's very hard. We put latex into the mixture, so as you can see, you can't take anything out. It's totally, you can file your fingernail on that cement. Once this is achieved, we would then inject the wall to create a vertical curtain of vertical damp proof course. This stops the water working its way from the exterior into the interior. This is not the first prize. The first prize would be to remove this concrete slab, dig down and damp proof the house wall, and then obviously fill this trench with stone so that nothing can sit against the house wall in terms of latent water or lateral damp, and push the water into the walls. Make it a great day and follow us in further videos.